We've seen the comments, so now we're going to give you an updated warehouse tour. Come check it out. Alright guys, it's been 2 years since we've done this. We're doing an updated warehouse tour of what we have here right now, starting off with the Rolls-Royce wall. We have two extended wheelbase Phantoms here with brand new RDB LA rims, 26 inches that we just fitted on both of them. The Mansory Cullinan is actually got a custom candy purple painted by Beyond Custom. Another Cullinan, which is a black badge, blue shadow edition, Ghost Eclipses, and also the Dawn here, which was actually a silver bullet, originally silver, 1 of 40, and now we've transformed it and wrapped it Rosso Magma, a Ferrari color, which is now a 1 of 1 red rocket, which we've changed the name inside the door, which you'll see in a second. The Kryptos Wraith, and also the Spectre, which is the newest Rolls-Royce addition to the fleet. We actually have two more, I'm pretty sure, Rolls-Royces that are currently being serviced, a 1016 Kit Cullinan and also a murdered out Wraith. Moving on to a few Ferraris now. We have the 458 Special, 296 GTS, another 296, and these next three cars you are about to see are probably the most kitted out ones here. The F8 Mansory Spider, you guys would have seen, it's really hectic. This one's recently been done by Beyond Custom. It's the SF90 Spider with a 1016 kit. I actually really like the look of this one, and also the Maserati MC20 Notte, which we just recently installed again by Beyond Custom, a 7 Design House Aria kit, which is fully carbon all the way around. Looks like a little Dark Knight Batman car here with a matte finish. Looks pretty sick. Let us know what you think about these three cars. More Ferraris now with the 458 Special Aperta. This originally had a straight pipe Cutlass system and a stage 2 tune, but we removed it and put it back to stock, regarded as one of the best Ferraris built. Let us know what you think. Moving on to the 488 Pista. Now this one here has a special story. Lawrence has an SF90 already in a Hong Kong Viola, and about 2 years ago we were in Melbourne going through Zagame, walking through a Ferrari, and he saw this and was like, I need to get the matching color.
It was a sign, I just had to do it. Yellow Hong Kong, it's the same colour that I first ever spec'd a car, which is the SF90, and the Pista, which is the first Ferrari I ever owned, so combination of the two, rare colour. Had to do it.
Now we have two Hong Kong Viola Ferraris. One's the SF90, which is actually getting modified with a new kit, and this one right here, which is completely stock. The 812 GTS. Now, this car has a Novatec exhaust, lowering springs, and rims. It's probably the loudest car in the collection. You guys would have heard it before. It just screams down the streets. And we actually do have another 812 that's in Sydney that also has a Novatec lowering springs and rims. 430 Scuderia, which we recently got, F12, 812 Competition. Now this car also is an amazing car, carbon rims. Back in 2021, this was spec'd. Orancio Borealis, which you may know is a Lamborghini color. It was definitely one of the first Ferraris that was painted this Orancio Borealis, so that's pretty sick. We have a Pista Spider, a Mansory Roma. This kit is actually wild. Let us know what you think in the comments about this kit, but we actually do have one more Roma sitting in Sydney, and we're actually missing a few other Ferraris, again, currently in service or being driven at the moment, but we'll move on to some more cars. McLaren SLR MSO. This one's actually a homage to Daniel Ricciardo. You guys would have seen previously as well, we have a matching Alba, which is in matte orange, which is also a homage to Daniel Ricciardo. Classic SLR MSO. Can't go wrong with that one. And then the CGT. Now, this is everyone's favorite car. We finally got it on the roads after the recalls on the suspensions. It's taken us a while. It's probably taken us over almost a year or two to get it back. And a funny story, vehicle under repair, do not drive, and we just got it fixed. Well, a good friend Albor from Car Expert took this car out to the drags, decided to do a nice launch, and the clutch blew. So this car is not going to be on the roads anytime soon. We don't know how long it's going to take to fix this clutch, but hopefully it's back on the roads because this is a fabulous car. Moving on to Lamborghinis, you guys would have seen this before. This is the most modified car in the collection at the moment. It's running a VF supercharger, Capristo exhaust, which is customized by Beyond Custom and actually has a nitrous system. Painted in Rosa Santos, which is a very rare Lamborghini color, which we got inspired by the Stradman. Moving to the Lamborghini Revuelto in Verde turbine. It's a matte khaki with gold accents, a little bit more subtle compared to what Lawrence usually buys, but this car is amazing, very comfortable. If you've driven Lamborghinis before, you'll understand that it's a very cramped to drive in Lambos. This car, very spacious, very comfortable, drives really nice. The STO in Verde Citria, this was probably the first STOs that we bought, and we do have another one which you'll see in a second. Back corner, hiding there is a Countach. Would love to get there, but it's stuck in the corner right now. Technica, in the back there, we have a Urus Essenza SCV12. Now, not many of you know, but you can only purchase that car if you have the matching race car, which we actually have at our race warehouse, which you guys haven't seen before. That is 1 of 40. Now, moving on, guys, the Lamborghini Sian. I can't even say it. This car is amazing to see on the roads. It's amazing to have in Perth. Seeing this being driven around at the Coffee Run. Moving on to the Ultimates. Guys, you guys know this little issue that we had at Crown a couple of years ago, but we finally have them back. It's good to have the twins back in the collection. Can't go wrong with the Ultimates. Moving on to another STO. This is actually a 60th anniversary. We fitted an AT26 carbon kit all the way around. Very subtle, but still quite aggressive. Storado, you guys saw us tearing this around, well, Alpha tearing it around Lancelin. Funny story, had to actually rip the car apart and clean it internally and externally. Luckily, no engine damage, and that is what this car is made for. The Lamborghini Huracan Evo Spider. It's the 60th anniversary, and you guys would have seen that Matt did lose the keys, but we did find them. Where's the key?
I don't know, I assume Nilo put it in. So unless Nilo left it there and I just...
He left it on the windscreen.
Oh,
Moving on to some Porsches, we have the Speedster here. It's actually wrapped in Onizo Tech Lava Orange. I think we're gonna change the wrap to this shortly to match the pink CGT. Let us know if we should do that or change it to a different color. GT4 RS and the GT3 RS, both painted in Chroma Flare. Amazing looking cars in the sun. This is gold Chroma Flare and this is urban bamboo Chroma Flare. The paint job on the GT4 RS costs around $250,000 from memory. This, I'm assuming, will be a little bit more, and we're hoping to install a new exhaust onto this and making it a little bit louder as it's a little too quiet for now. 992 GT3, it's a manual. We do have a few manual cars left in this collection. The CGT, the Speedster, and the Valor, which you'll see soon. Heading into our McLaren corner, we have the 750S Triple Crown Edition. We actually fitted HRE rims to them, and also you can see the pink Barbie behind it, another 750S. The P1, guys. I don't really need to say much about it. Everyone loves the P1. Paying homage to when it's first released, you guys would have noticed that the plates are exactly like the ones when you first saw this car out as a promotion. And we're lucky enough here in Perth to get the same plates. This car is timeless and it's well ahead of its time. And that's why I guess we love the P1, and hopefully there'll be another one joining soon. 620R in the back, a 600 LT, 765 LT, which has been wrapped. The full carbon Alva, guys. Spectacular car, as you can see. It's a beautiful car, and we also have another one that is a homage to Daniel Ricciardo as well, which is in matte orange. Taycan Turbo S at the back there, and we actually do have an Audi e-tron. I mean, we're just trying to be a little bit more environmentally friendly. And as you can see, tucked there is a DBS 770, and we do have a few more Astons, but they're currently all being serviced. Ending on, guys, the Pagani Huayra with the Tempesta package. As you guys know, Lawrence loves to drive these cars. None of these cars are garage queens. They are all being driven, so you'll probably see Lawrence driving this on the streets of Perth through the summer. We're gonna move on to a part of the warehouse where you guys have not seen before, so follow me. A bit smaller, we have a Bentley Continental here. We actually got a Flying Spur somewhere around. A Turbo S at the back, and also a GLS Gullwing G-Wagon. We have 3 of them. This one, a black one, and another black one that has a Brabus kit on it. Carrera GTS, and behind the Carrera GTS is a GLS 600, which is a Maybach inspired by the Kim K. It's all white, white rims, white kit, white interior. Aston Martin DBX Mansory kit installed onto it. Alfa Romeo GT AM, and the newest in the fleet is actually the RS6 GT, which is gonna be our media car. It's sitting here waiting to be PPF'd. All these cars in this warehouse get PPF'd via Special Wrap and Craftsman. We have a 458 Italia here, which isn't part of the Lee collection. It's actually Alpha's personal car. It's been wrapped in Hunter Jade, an Tech Hunter Jade, which is taking inspiration from the R34 Millennium Jade color. It's got pearl rims, 21-22 combo with a Pride design kit on it. Currently has Christmas lights on the dashboard because it's going through a bit of issues, but Alpha's gonna fix that, I'm sure. The Defender, the Maybach, everyone loves a comfy Maybach. That's a great car to have in the collection, and also the Range Rover SV. Funny enough, this car's super quick and it does have some carbon rims to go with it. And last but not least, the Lamborghini Urus, which is one of the first Uruses in the fleet. We're here in another part of the warehouse, and it's actually our dealership side. We actually source and sell cars here as well. So this is the man that does that all.
How's it going? Welcome to Lance East Exotics.
Thank you.
Let me show you around. We've got some
What do we have in stock, Michael?
pretty special cars on the lineup today. I guess we can kick it off with this 997 GT2 RS. 500 of them globally, 1 of 5 in the country. This one's actually sold.
I picked this up from Sydney to bring here, and I remember driving it and I was like, this car is sick.
688 HS MSO, 1 of 25. Special car, just looks the part as well. I mean,
Yeah, it is. One of my favorites in McLarens.
Pista Piloti, only 40 of them built. Little fun fact about these, you have to be a Ferrari GT or participate in the GT series with Ferrari to be offered one of these. So a super exclusive car. Like I said, 1 of 40, and it just, I mean, it looks phenomenal with the tricolor running through it. It's just a showstopper.
And what you guys don't know as well is Lanzetta here previously worked at Ferrari Sydney for about 6 years. So he's kind of used to all these Ferraris.
Yeah.
Not like us.
Might be a little bit biased as well.
You are. You're
Case
very
in point,
biased.
while I brushed past the McLaren and just jumped straight into the Ferrari, and here we are again, 512. So the last of the Testarossa, which is that that iconic car that most people have grown up with, and this is particularly special because of the fact that it left the factory in white, which is quite rare.
Yeah,
in the
it's
majority
a
of
Bianco
Abus.
Yeah.
Moving on to the Vantage V12S Roadster.
Nice matte
Manual.
finish on it.
Yeah, gorgeous finish. This one, another little fun fact for you, this one's signed by the previous CEO of Aston Martin, but like the 997 GT2 RS, just 6-speed manual, very driver-focused car. Probably one of my all-time favorites, or convertible version of it, which is the SA Aperta. So 80 of these built, which even for Ferrari, that's exceptionally low, and 1 of 8.
That's a lot. Did you? Oh, that's a lot.
Moving to a little bit more hypercar central, shall we say?
Mirage GT, Gambala.
Gambala GT, 25 of these made, all bespoke.
We actually finally found a donor car for the Marcian, which is coming soon to Perth for the Lee collection. I forgot what color we spec'd it, but yes, that will be coming soon to the collection, which is quite exciting.
The bugs.
The bugs. Love a bug. Love the look of the old bugs.
Yeah, 100%. Not taking away anything from the Chiron, the Super Sport, but yeah, there's something iconic about this look. The Veyron, the one that sort of kicked it all off and put Bugatti on the map. This one, it's given it its Mansouri twist on it.
Yes, full carbon.
The Grand Sport Vitesse, so 16.4 Vitesse, retractable hardtop version of the Veyron, over 1,000 horsepower, and just looks unbelievable.
Yeah.
And last but not least, the GTR T-Spec. This one finished in Millennium Jade, which I think is probably one of the best, or the best color for this model, but sort of is the final send-off of that iconic R34.
You sold one recently as well.
Yeah.
The Aimgain wide body kit. We had one here.
Locals would have seen it out and about. I mean, it's not really a hard car to miss with the wide body, but yeah, it's off to its new owner.
You're part of the family now anyway, the Lee family, so appreciate it.
But yeah, Michael not only sells cars here, but yeah, he sources cars for the Lee collection privately for Lawrence. When Lawrence just requests a car, he goes and finds it. And also here for any client that's trying to find a car that we don't have, we're fortunate enough to be able to access them and find these specific cars that are needed.
Yeah, exactly right. We try and do it all. Obviously sell, but consign, trade, source. You know, we've got good or great contacts in country and overseas as well, and that sort of makes our life a lot easier. But yeah, the scope is very much to build that community.
Yeah.
Right? We know how important cars are to sort of connect people together,
Yep.
and that's ultimately the vision with Lance East Exotics.
It's not just cars, that's lifestyle, it's even just the ownership and meeting the people through it that's how we all met,
Yeah.
through cars and then building relationships with each other.
Yeah.
And hopefully one day I'll be able to buy one of these cars, but for now I might have to trade my Porsche in for one of these big toy Ferraris, you know.
It's all right, we can make it work. We'll look over the numbers.
Please
and-
take care of me. Although I know that Lando will probably try and rip me off. We're in the last part of the warehouse here, and this is where all the operations are run. This is where we work from, our shared space. And not only that, we do have a small motorbike collection that we're slowly building up. Lawrence is buying a lot more now that he's been offered them through, I guess, the car dealerships as well.
Yeah.
And the best person to actually speak about this is you. You know more about motorbikes than me.
Yeah, well, again, that's music to my ears.
Yeah.
Big fan of bikes. We can start off with this super futuristic Aston Martin AMB 001. So only 100 units of these made. I mean,
Number 48 of 100.
number 48.
Looks like something off Tron, the movie, and these slicks look scary.
Yeah, the bike runs. I don't think anyone's just been brave enough to get it on the road. Moving on to the Diavol Lamborghini edition. So Ducati and Lamborghini have this partnership, and this was born out of that partnership. 630 units. This one actually commemorates the Sian,
Yeah.
so the configuration on the Sian, although
Would have been cool to match the colors.
yeah, I was just about to say ours looks slightly different
Yeah.
in terms of spec, but that's effectively what it's based on.
Global 7500 is where Michael Lanzana actually works from. He sits right here. If you see his WhatsApp display picture, it's actually that seat right there.
No comment. And then the Street Fighter. So again, you know, Ducati and Lamborghini working together to create this, I mean, in my opinion, this masterpiece. 630 units. This one is number 183, but yeah, just a phenomenal bike.
And we also have the matching STO
Yeah.
to that in the warehouse. You guys would have seen that previously in the Verde Citria. So those two combined look good as a duo. Well, thanks for showing me around the dealership.
No problem. My
Go away,
pleasure.
get out of here now. But that is the end of the warehouse tour, guys. No one actually seen that whole side of this. Usually you guys would have seen the warehouse previously, just the garage, but now you've got a full warehouse tour. There are actually more cars coming our way. We're in a 2-year mark, so 2 years ago, a lot of speccing has been done, so now they're being built and now they're finally being sent over. For example, at the end of last year, we spec'd 2 cylindries, a coupe and a spider. That's not gonna be ready for another year or so, but in saying that, at the end of next month, we're actually taking delivery of 2 Ferraris, the Perisangue and the SF90 XX, which is based off Lawrence's FXXK race car. In saying that, Lawrence did also mention that he purchased a W1, which is matched to his pink 750S. But what he didn't tell you is we actually have 2 W1s on the way, and I won't tell you what the next color is. Hopefully soon we have all the cars here. We have a few cars in Europe, in Singapore, over east and in America, but soon hopefully you'll see them all here. But we do have one more car coming. It's a very special car and I'm very excited to have this here. We're all excited to have it here. It's gonna be the first one in the Southern Hemisphere. I can't tell you what it is, but you gotta stay tuned to find out.